Hi everyone, thanks for staying tuned. My name is Sarah and I'm showing you this 2017 Toyota RAV4. So obviously, smaller SUV, it's going to be great on fuel for you, as well as also going to give you a little bit of space for any kind of family or any, even just a single person as well. You have 18-inch steel tires, okay? You're going to have this black coloring throughout with obviously kind of these silver details. It is going to be a keyless entry right here. So you're just going to be able to do that with the remote right there. You're going to have, obviously, the roof racks. This does have a power tailgate, which is really nice. So let that lift up there for you. It's also going to have a backup cam. You're going to be able to store a ton of stuff in here. It's actually a little bit lower as well, so if you are picking up anything, it's going to be easier to pick it up for you and kind of put it in the back. That 60/40 bench was sitting as well in that second row. It's going to give you a lot of configurations. If you have some people, if you have a couple of things, or you can put all the seats down and have a lot more room. Okay, I'm going to show you some interior features, so stay tuned. Hi everyone, Sarah here at St.Albert's Active Showroom inside the 2017 Toyota RAV4. So coming into the interior, you're going to have obviously this leather seating throughout. Pets, kids, any kind of spills, quick and easy cleanup, okay? You're going to have some indoor storage, which is really nice. Okay, a little bit of storage right here as well. You got obviously the glove box, which is pretty large. You got the center console right here as well. It is a two-tiered center console. A little bit wide open space right here. So your cup holders are going to be separated, which is pretty nice. This one actually also will be adaptable if your cup has a mug on, like a handle on it, which is pretty cool. Heated seats for the driver and the passenger. This vehicle does come with Eco Mode and Sport Mode. So Sport Mode is going to give you a little bit more power, while Eco Mode obviously helps you save money on fuel. So for a small SUV, it's going to be great for that. Okay, you got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You got a heated steering wheel with the buttons right over here. Okay, you also have automatic lights. You got your cruise control right here. This is going to be your Bluetooth controls, and this right here is going to kind of change your instrument cluster. Okay. Coming up here, you obviously have beautiful sunroof, which is always really nice. You have a little bit of storage right here for any kind of sunglasses. And yeah, the visor does extend, which is really nice. So obviously, you can protect your eyes from that sun there. You're going to also have this Aftermarket Dash Cam. It does actually have the SD card as well. So you're going to be able to keep your vehicle safe. Okay, 2017, it just has just under 123,000 kilometers. If you want to know more about this vehicle or take it for a ride, give us a call here at St. Albert Dodge, 780-458-8660.